Sagittarius. This is your channel messages for the 15th of May. Sagittarius, let us get into the nitty-gritty of the latest news. Okay, Sagittarius. So, Donald J. Trump decided to visit Saudi Arabia. Trump, tell me, what is your interest in the Middle East and their oil? 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 Who said anything about oil? Bitch, you cooking? Okay, so Trump visits Saudi Arabia. Okay, they signed was it a 600 million deal? And we should say thank you to the person who went to Saudi Arabia first to create the link, which was Eminem. So Eminem, thank you for going to Saudi Arabia first so that Saudi Arabia could see that, you know, white people and black people, since Eminem is black, ain't that bad, which is why they're doing business with the US. So Trump visited Saudi Arabia. Okay, this is a weird relationship, but okay, all right. Also Saudi Arabia, the latest New York Times news is asking the question, why did Saudi Arabia roll out the lavender carpet for Trump's visit? Yeah, because Trump never wanted Ukraine a sheet. The government of Canada gave him a carpet. Think about me, think about her, and think my seed espresso. Isn't any lane? Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Right? So Saudi Arabia rolled out the lavender, the purple color carpet for Trump, okay? And you should know that, listen to me, Trump didn't send the invitation out. Saudi Arabia asked him to come. Isn't Saudi Arabia a Muslim Islamic country? When we talk about the nation of Islam, no, not the nation. Oh, okay, Islamity? No, not Islamity. Muslimanity? No, just Muslim. Oh, just Muslim? Just Islam? I can say that. Isn't it weird how Trump rejected cordialness with Europe, but him gone to Saudi Arabia, which is ruled by Muslim and Islamic people? Isn't it the same people who always curse out Americans for dressing like whores? She a baddie, she doing it 10. She a baddie. Trump, America and Muslim countries, Islamic countries has nothing in common. So this is weird, but okay, fine. Right? So Trump went there for sign whatever bill, whatever deal him have with Saudi Arabia, which is a huge deal, all right? Oil, Middle East, Dubai, right? But also, a lot of people is talking about the fact that when Donald Trump sparks wild conspiracy theories when he appeared to snub Saudi Arabia's official by refusing a sip of coffee offered to him. Trump, I would have done the same fucking thing. Trump, I agree with you on that. You know that coffee is the holy liquid of Islam. Is it Muslim or Islam? One of them. Yes, you don't take the coffee. A lot of people speculated that it was alcohol, and Trump already talked about the fact that him don't drink alcohol. Yeah, you see that meeting? Yeah, don't drink the coffee. I know it's a custom for them, but let me tell you something. With my little years of experience with coffee magic, yeah, you don't drink the, especially if an Islamic or Muslim person offer you the coffee, don't drink it. Not on that meeting. It will blur your vision, and you will see that you'll be like, I didn't know that Americans and Saudi Arabians had so much in common. We should totally do a reality TV show. Yeah, I agree with Trump. A lot of people thought that it was terrible. Do you think that we would invite you to Saudi Arabia to poison you? Meanwhile, your own people in your own country is shooting off your fucking ears while you're talking about your presidential run? Yeah, Saudi Arabia don't act dirty like that. That's why they made Trump walk on a lavender carpet and not the floor. Talking about sheets. Anyways, I agree with Trump. Don't drink the coffee. A lot of people, again, it's custom for you to offer coffee for you to drink it. It seemed a bit, I'm above you and you're below me. Plus, Trump already have assassination attacks on him life. All right, but yeah, don't drink the coffee. No. So that much I can back up Trump with. You don't do that. Especially when you're meeting a Muslim or Islamic person. You don't drink the coffee on the first time. You and them don't drink the coffee. Make him drink it. Or you alone drink it. Not both on it together. That is coffee magic. I know a lot about it. Which is why the man them keep bring me go places for me. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius the angel. Let us see what is in your messages for today. Sagittarius. They gave Trump a lavender carpet. Thinking about me, thinking about her, and thinking about me. Espresso. Let's go. Sabrina Carpenter, you will be having black fans shouting your name and researching how your tits look. You should know that. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. You know you're really wrong. What did I do? You try to talk shit about Sabrina Carpenter because she was fondling those cherries. Man, I didn't know the government liked it. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius. We have the Knight of Pentacles coming out first. All right, so the Knight of Pentacles is usually a build-up of, all right? The Knight of Pentacles does not move. I'm getting something is coming to a halt. Or I'm getting you need a signature for sign off on something. Something is coming to a stop. All right, the Five of Swords. I'm getting it's going exactly like how you want it to go. I'm getting a stop. You know, just like how the Ukrainian teenagers in Poland is throwing the fucking scooters in front of the train. I never know the Poland train could stop. All the train, TTC, your train can't stop too. I never know the train them could have stopped. Anyways, in Poland, yeah, the Ukrainian teenagers, the immigrants in Poland, them a throw like scooters on the railway. So the train officials have to come out of them train, go up on the track or take out the scooter for continue. Ask me, I do not know. Anyways, I'm getting something is coming to a halt, and that's exactly how you want it. We have a two of, yeah. I'm getting, they don't know you're the one who's causing it. We have the Hangman, and we also have the Emperor. I'm not sure if the Emperor is Donald J. Trump or if the Emperor is the official for Saudi Arabia. But what we do know is I'm getting it trying to block the Emperor. Or I'm getting the Emperor is doing something for block everybody else. I'm getting you cannot see what's happening. Now again, the Emperor is hanged by the foot, not the neck. So I'm getting in order for you to see who is sabotaging you, who is stopping you, you need to approach this with a clear mind. And I don't know if you don't know this, coffee don't make your mind clear. Coffee fog your mind, it have caffeine. The same caffeine what in a soda. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. The same caffeine that's in sodas. Yeah, that's coffee. My apologies. You should have offered Trump water. Why you never offer him water? And probably would have rejected the water too. Let's continue the reading. Coffee don't make your mind clear. Coffee fog your mind. Can you go a week without coffee? Because you're going to start shake. Like you're on heroin withdrawal. Let's continue the reading. The Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the Lovers card. So I'm getting, again, something, not the Lovers, the World card. Is something coming to a halt? Alright, so in this depiction, the Lovers card talks about a relation. No, it's the last card of the Major Arcana, which means that you complete something. But I'm getting something is stopping before it starts. I was also getting this morning something about somebody saying, give them everything except money. I'm getting in order for you for one, something for starting, especially, we're not talking about Saudi Arabia and America. We're talking about Sagittarius. In order for you for getting a somebody panty, you have to invest. As alkaline, the original Sagittarius, me nah go invest my money and you take me for fool. No, it nah go so. Right, you have to invest. Because somebody not going to give you them body and you take them for fool. They might have something for show for it. We're not talking about a used condom. And speaking of used condom, men, I understand that sometimes that, you see, the women have to protect themselves by using Plan B or using a birth control. So if you're cussing a girl because you hear so she use Plan B, would you rather she get pregnant for that random sex session? Okay, great. Now, some of them on birth control. Men, I'm just asking you, please, if you're going to buy a condom, which I'm not promoting you to be buying condoms. Especially not you thinking that you're going to fuck me. Okay? But please buy a size. Because when I'm going to the store at all, but you don't want XL condom, you do not wear XL, sir. And half of the condom hang off of your dick, and that's why the whole sex session feels so fucking dry. Because half of the condom is not filled. And you're walking around talking about you need KY jelly. Walking around talking about you need baby oil. Sir, you need a proper size of condom. You're going to the cashier. You're going into the fucking pharmacy talking about, can I have XL? You're not XL. Half of the fucking condom is hanging off. And you push everything up like a fucking folded socks, right? And that's why the girl pussy is deemed to be dry and she don't have no kids and she's not going through menopause. God, let's see. Let's continue the reading. You have to invest before you get anything. The Knight of Pentacles, yes, something is going to come to a hole. Because you only can do so much with gifts. Maybe you can only do so much with money. The Five of Swords is clarified by the Two of Wands. Because getting somebody plan to sleep with you and never call you back. And be like, haha, I'ma fuck you. I know nothing, but me get something out of it. You think me vex because me and leave me? Sir, I got something out of it. You're talking about, make sure you get something out of it, you hear? Making these men fuck you and have nothing for show feet, nothing to show for it other than memories. The Two of Swords is clarified by the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, you cannot see something. Something is coming to a halt. Something is coming to a stop. It's being orchestrated. Now, the Three of Pentacles is not lit up. You see? The Three of Pentacles, it's carved in the wall, in the brick, but it's not lit up like the Knight of Pentacles. Because I'm getting somebody say offer them everything, do everything except offer them money. I'm getting that not gonna work. You have to give them money. I'm getting the plan is, I don't know if the plan is for distract you or for waste your time, or the plan is for see how far them can get with you without money. Sir, you will not get as far as you want to get. I'll tell you that. The Hangman is clarified by the Knight of Swords. I'm getting somebody a rush you. Somebody want to move fast. The Emperor is clarified by the Eight of Wands. I'm getting the Emperor, I already told you. No, I'm also getting something about the Emperor. The Emperor is not in the country. So while the Emperor is absent, you're sending in somebody for capture the flag. I'm getting something not gonna work without money. Money have to be in the picture. Somebody's telling you that you can do it without money. I'm getting somebody to set you up here. I don't know what this is. I don't know if somebody's sending you into a business meeting for negotiate. Listen to me. People, especially when it comes down to job interviews, always negotiate money. Always ask about money. That's one thing with me. That is probably why people claim I'm too blunt. You always ask about money. Yeah, man, you're asking about blood clot money, right? You're in a one job interview. Do you have any questions for us? Yeah. What is my potential of growth when it comes down to income here? Always ask them about money. You might feel like it's too weird. It's too, I don't want to seem greedy. Well, them will work you out. And even when you take vacation leave, them showing your attitude. You're getting something about money. You need to talk about money first. Or if money is not being talked about, your service is not going to be rendered. I don't know if somebody's trying to see if them can get something out of you for free. No. The only thing in life that is free is love. Nothing else. We have Cancer. We have curse. Is someone cursed with cancer? I'm getting somebody have cancer. Maybe there's something about I cannot afford. I'm getting prostate cancer. The Emperor, you need to check your prostate. I'm getting something about one of your testes are swollen. Or something about your breasts. Something about you finding a lump in your breast. You need to check a doctor. I'm getting something about cancer. We have Pisces. Somebody might be a Pisces, a Sun, Cancer, Moon. I'm getting them curse you. Them try to curse you. She have a Pisces, Sun, and Cancer, Moon. My child, me know. And you should know none, the way, I don't know what to equalize. I don't know what to add. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. What the fuck is this? I don't know what to equate it to, but none of my family members them tell me happy birthday. The whole of them watch me on YouTube. The whole of them watch me. None of them. I never get no happy birthday from my family. Perhaps the jealousy was turned up because them sister make it out of hopelessness. Thinking about me, thinking about her, and thinking about sweet espresso. None of them are telling me happy birthday. None. None of my family member them. Good. Which is why I know staying in Canada is where I'm supposed to be. One more. And we have religious agenda. Okay, I'm going to leave it here. Sagittarius, until next time. Bye.